wait, they left. They're leaving.
Shh.
Oh no, don't come out here. Okay, don't poop on me. Charlie, no. Charlie. Oh wait, maybe they're not leaving. Are those part of it too?
Yeah. She's coming back.
Oh no, they're heading right toward us. They're gonna poop on us. No, no, no. No. Whoa. No. That's cool.
Ow.
Did all of them do that when you were here?
No, not this close. Not that many.
No.
There's got to be thousands of them.
I know, right? And Charlie's not even interested. I don't get it. You're not interested. You're just standing here.
This is to come back again. Looks like they're heading our way.
Oh no. Are you taking this?
Yeah.
Whoa. Where are they going now? Why are they going in a circle? I don't get that.